Okay, so NIO stock is trading at a critical support level, and so far it seems it wants to react. The next move on NIO is supposed to be huge, as this is a very important inflection point. It all depends on how it is going to react in this area. So a few questions: what it takes for NIO to trigger a bullish reversal? What it takes for NIO to resume the bearish momentum? What are the next support and resistance levels to watch from here? In this video, you will find the answers for these questions and more, or at least I will try to answer these questions. My name is Nathan and you are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Let's start our TA, our technical analysis on NIO stock, starting with the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, NIO is moving erratically over here. We don't see any meaningful, crystal clear bullish reversal structure, but you may say, and I'm not gonna disagree with you, Nathan, do we see an inverse head and shoulders over here? Well, maybe you are correct. Either way, in order for NIO to trigger this inverse head and shoulders, it has to break its neckline. And in my view, the neckline is around the $9.50, 9.52, 9.53, this red line over here. And this is quite interesting because this red line at $9.52, 53 cents is at the same time a very important resistance level on NIO, short/mid-term speaking, because this red line did work as a support level multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the past since January 2023, and recently it has been working as a resistance level 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So in order for NIO to trigger a meaningful bullish reversal, let's say you are bullish on NIO. Let's say you believe NIO is supposed to fly from here. The key point you want to see NIO breaking is $9.52. In addition, this area over here is a resistance area because it is not only made by the 9.52, but we see the 21 exponential moving average in this area as well. This EMA is pointing downwards. It is supposed to drop to lower levels, but in my view, if NIO breaks this resistance level over here, we could easily fly to higher levels. We see a purple trend line connecting the previous top levels on NIO. It could easily retest this purple trend line in the future, in the next couple of weeks or even months, because it is gonna take a while. I don't believe NIO, if it breaks this resistance area, it would seek this purple trend line in one single movement. So it would take a while, ideally would take a while, but either way, this scenario would be very bullish. NIO has plenty of upside potential left, and a reaction in this area couldn't be better. I mean, the timing couldn't be better. What's more, if NIO breaks this red line over here, it would trigger at the same time a bullish pivot point in the daily chart. It would trigger a higher high, higher low. This bottom over here is so far higher than the previous bottom at $8.38, which we are going to discuss later. And so far we are doing a bullish reaction, bullish candlestick pattern as well. This candlestick pattern is a piercing line candlestick pattern, just like it did over here on March 2. When we did, coincidence or not, our last analysis in this channel was on March 2. So this is quite interesting. We are doing another piercing line candlestick pattern above the previous support level. So here is your bullish thesis. Let's wait for a crystal clear breakout from the $9.52. Now, before we talk about our bearish thesis over here, do you want to join a community of consistent swing traders that can beat the market while make some money? Well, check my newsletters. The link to my website is in the description of this video. This year, so far, we are doing quite well, so come on, join the top 5% of traders. My website is in the description. Now, let's say you are bearish on NIO. Let's say you believe that NIO is a crappy company and that it is supposed to drop to lower levels. What is the key point you want to see NIO losing? $8.38. This red line down here, the second red line over here. You know what? Let me change its color to not confuse anyone. let's make this line pink. Okay, so this pink line down here, this key point was a previous support level on NIO on October 24 last year, and guess what? It did work as a support level again on March 2 this year. So, okay, it seems $8.38 is indeed a key point for NIO, is a key support level. If we lose the support level, then NIO is going to do this. NIO is crashing. Since it started its downfall on January 27, we crashed sharply, and then we're gonna bounce to a resistance level over here at $9.52, and if we lose the previous support level, NIO is gonna trigger a bearish pivot point. In this scenario, it is going to trigger a bearish continuation chart pattern, and in the weekly chart, since we are already losing a key support level over here at near the $9, it is supposed to keep dropping to lower levels. Technically speaking, the next support level is around $5.70. The 9.09 is a key support level because this key point did work as a support level over here on January this year, again on October last year, and it is a gap area from July 2020. Wow, that's more than 2 years ago. Okay, so this key point is quite important. If NIO actually closes a candlestick in the weekly chart below the support level, this is not gonna look good. What's worse, it seems we have a head and shoulders chart pattern near this bottom level. So yes, if we trigger this head and shoulders chart pattern, then NIO will probably continue the bearish sentiment. Last week, our candlestick was quite good over here, right? A quite powerful dragonfly doji, indicating that NIO could easily seek higher levels. But as long as we don't break $9.52, no bullish thesis will materialize in this circumstance. So let's pay attention, because right now NIO is trapped inside a no man's land between its key resistance and its key support level over here. Only a crystal clear breakout is going to bring something new for us on NIO stock. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this channel, and if you are still watching this random Brazilian guy talking about NIO stock, come on, subscribe this channel because you probably liked the content. Subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.